If you need a tool to quickly build list of business contacts like email, phone number, website, address from public directories, then Reoon Yellow Pages Scrapper might be what you are looking for. This tool promises to gather the leads from Yellow Page directories across different countries, which help you to reach out to potential clients or partners fast. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover tools that save time and grow your outreach. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from the description to grab the lifetime deal for the Reown Yellow Page from the AppSumo. And by using that link, you can get discount and the discount will be applied automatically. Now let's explore the Reoon Yellow Page, what it can do, how it works, and when it's useful, as well as what to watch out for. Reoon Yellow Pages Scraper is a software for Windows or the Mac that can scan the business directories, Yellow Pages or the similar, in many countries. You input a keyword, for example, like a restaurant maybe, or maybe a plumber, or maybe a digital marketing agency, and a location like city or the region, then start the scrap. The tool automatically goes through the directory listing and tries to collect the business profile information, the phone number, categories, address, the name, emails, website URLs whenever it's available. One of the big strengths of this tool is it doesn't just scrap the public directory page, it can also crawl the business own websites. And in that way, it can find more data like email addresses or social media links. This website crawling plus directory scrapping, this combination makes it more powerful than simple scrappers that only grab the directory information. Because of this, you can build a useful leads list, a spreadsheet of many business with their directory contact details. That's useful if you are doing B2B outreach, marketing, sales calls, freelance service offers, or building a client base. For small agencies, freelancers, or anyone who is doing outreach to local business in many regions, then this can save a lot of manual time. Another advantage of Reoon is its potential for forcing the scale. With the lifetime deal on AppSumo, you pay one time and you often get the unlimited scrapping, so no recurring subscription fees. For many users, this long-term value makes it more cost-effective than pay-per-lead or monthly subscription lead tools. Also, the software supports multi-country directories, so if you are targeting business in different countries, not only your local area, you can potentially build international lead list. But before you decide, it is important to know that the drawbacks and the limitations. First of all, the user interface of Reoon is often described as old style or not very pretty. Many users say it works but don't expect a sleek SaaS style dashboard. The tool is more like a workhorse. It gets the job done but without modern UI polish. Because of that, new users might face a small learning curve. It may take some time to understand like how to input format, how to enter the multiple keywords or the location, or how to manage export and how to filter or clean the data after scrapping. Another caveat, scraped contact data often needs cleaning and verification before you using it for your outreach. Not all email address will be valid, some business might be closed or information may be outdated. Many reviewers suggest using a separate email verification tool before sending the mess emails. Also, because this relies on public directories listing or business they own the websites, coverage depends heavily on region. For some countries or cities, especially smaller towns, many business may be listed online or their detail may be missing. So you might not get a large number of leads everywhere. Finally, scrapping directories and websites in bulk may raise legal or ethical concerns depending on social data privacy regulation. Make sure you check any applicable law regarding the data collection or the cold outreach and spam in your region before you using the scrapped data for marketing or sales. So if you value speed, wide reach, and cost effectiveness, you can accept that the tool is more functional than beautiful. The Reoon can be a strong choice to generate business leads fast. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description to grab the lifetime deal for the Reoon Yellow Pages Scrapper from AppSumo. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.